Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix games not appearing on Steam Store. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. Basically, as you can see here, if I go on search and write Dota 2, I know exactly that Dota 2 is on Steam, and if I want to download, as you can see here, I cannot find it. It's because some changes, some settings is not selected, right? So what you need to do here is to press on your name, then go to account details. On account details, you need to look for store preferences here, and then make sure general mature content is selected, and maybe select this option as well. And then look if you go on store, if the game is appearing. For example, as you can see here, Dota 2, and now as you can see here, I can download this game. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.